So now we start preparing the official starter of our main menu. It starts with goose liver, apples and almonds.
First we start with the creme brulee.
A creme brulee of goose liver. Some roasted apples. Cream of goose liver. Almond cream. Some green apple gelée. Apple blossoms. Some almond crumble. To this main dish there belongs 2 side dishes. I usually try to fresh it up with a shot. It's supposed to be that one, shot of apples. Cream of caramel and apples. Some roasted almonds. This is our goose liver terrine. It's marinated goose liver on the bottom with a port wine jelly, and then goes a small piece of goose liver pate, and then on top you will have a salted caramel mousse. Very nice. So the first plate is already finished.
Ja.
This is the ice of goose liver. So einen kleinen Unterteller bitte dazustellen für die Heringtasse. And then we will finish the shot. The apple shot, and then the dish is ready. And it always goes with some fresh baked brioche. We will see over there. So now here we have the official start of our main menu. This is a variation of goose liver, a terrine of goose liver with salted caramel and port wine, a goose liver ice with some almond crumble, and a fresh apple shot at this plate. And it always goes with some fresh baked brioche.